YouTube channel. Guys, I'm so excited for this video. I'm coming to teach you how to twist your own hair in this episode. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up right now. Starting with the video, I want you to subscribe and like the video right now before we continue. You need to detangle your hair before you start, but my hair is already detangled, so I am going to cut the part that I will be using for the cornrow. You see, from the thumbnail I had cornrow at the side, and if you want to learn how to make cornrow, I have a video on that, so I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box, so kindly go check it out. And guys, you have to watch this video till the end because I'm going to leave a lot of tips on how to make it very well when it comes to the back, the front, the side, and everywhere. If you leave part of this video, you're losing a lot, so you need to watch till the end. So when I'm done cutting the cornrow side, we need to start. And guys, you have to pay very much attention because I always say I won't be able to explain what the hand is doing, so you have to pay very much attention. So we get our portion, the little portion you want to start the twist with. Guys, if you cut the twist too big, you won't be able to have the result you saw on the thumbnail. So right here you can see what I'm doing here. I first divide the portion into 3 and braid it first because I want it to have a firm look. And guys, you don't have to twist it too tight. It has to be loose, just the way I'm doing it. It has to be loose. It's gonna look as if you're not even twisting, but you twist only one part of your finger. Only one part of your finger needs to be twisted. So you can see from this tutorial as well. The reason why I twist the edge first is because I want the twist to have a firm look, because you can't be having a nice twist with the I see how go and you know, you have to twist it under the twist. You have to twist you have to braid it very well to make it firm before you start with the twist. As you can see, I'm not even twisting the hair. It's only one part of my finger, not both parts. Only a part of the finger gets twisted. So when you do it this way and you leave it, it becomes so fluffy. When you finish making the hair, it's going to look so full.
Ain't gonna tear their ass up, simple as that.
A part of braiding or twisting that is very important as well is the ends. Guys, if you don't finish the ends, it's going to look like something that asewabo utina, asewabo afutuna, anona ye basabasabino. Ebema anona ye den Nti no wo bo hwi na se wo wi ano ne kora no ne ka ho na me hwi ne wa. Nti se wa ma no na wo ye wo pa. Nti no when it comes to braiding your hair, the back is very important because some people don't know how to position themselves to make the back. And one thing I want to tell you is you have to lie the hair at the position that you want it to go. Because when you want it to go down and you pull it up, by the time you finish, it's going to look messy and it's going to be pulled all over the place and you won't be able to have the type of hairstyle you want. So that is something you need to take very good note of. You won't be. So if you don't know how to position your hand and yourself, just look at what I'm doing. If you need the hair to go to the right side, bring your hand to the right side. Not like when you're making, you want the hair going right and you are making it the left side. So be very careful with that. And when making hair, you need to fill it up. You don't have to make it in line. You have to make it random. When you cut one from the middle, you need to cut one from the other side just to make it fill up. Guys, I'm not saying it's easy. It's not easy at all. But, you can find yourself in a situation where there is no one, especially those of us here in the Middle East. There is no one there to help you make your hair. And if you don't try it yourself, guys, you're going to lose your whole hair by the time you go back home. So you need to be trying little by little. Just don't say you can't. Just try. By the time you try like 2-3 times, I swear to God, you're going to be making this. You're going to be perfect. You're going to be a pro. So guys, give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe.
We gon' tear their ass up, simple as that.